Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the school auditorium, the number of chairs in a row is the same as the number of rows of chairs. There are 6,368 students in the school. If we know that less than 33 chairs were empty, how many chairs were empty after all the students sat down? Firstly, let the number of chairs in a row be X number. Okay. So, from given condition, number of rows also be X. Okay. Then total number of chairs it will be X square. Okay. As there are 6,368 students in a school and each student gets chair. Okay. Some chairs leaves empty. Leaves empty. So, total number of chairs not exceeds than 6,368. So, X square is greater than 6,368 such that X square is not exceeds than 6,368 plus 33, that is 6,401. So, here we need to find the square number just below that 6,401. So, finding the square just below 6,401. Okay. As we know that 80 square is 6,400. Okay. So, and we can observe that this is just below 6,401. So, X square is 6,400, which is the square of 80, which is total number of chairs in auditorium. Okay. So, this 6,400 minus 6,368 is 32. So, 32 chairs remains empty. 32 chairs remains empty. So our correct option is option B, which is 32.